I'm Berning. I'm a second-year master's student in agricultural systems management in the Ag and Biological Engineering department. I grew up in the small town of Monroeville, Indiana, in northeast Indiana, up by Fort Wayne. But in high school, I worked at my stepdad's mechanic shop, so ag systems management just kind of became the perfect major for me to try out. I was involved in FFA as a student. From like the age of 11, we'd come to Purdue's campus for the FFA state convention. Pretty much from that point on, I knew that Purdue was in my future. Over the years, throughout my career, I had 4 different internships at John Deere. I have really had an opportunity to work twice in the marketing area, twice in the product support area. So utilizing both the business side and the hands-on side of ASM, and utilizing my undergrad degree in Ag Econ as well. My graduate level research primarily focuses on agricultural autonomy, which would be like self-driving tractors, and the safety standards regarding that type of technology. One big portion of my research was looking at what ag autonomy standards exist, and then comparing those to both automotive and earth-moving standards that also have autonomy safety standards, and then finding out what are some gaps in agriculture and what are some things that maybe we address well. The ISO 18497 standard, the standard that lays out ag autonomy, has one part that focuses primarily on basically safety tests to say, hey, this machine's good to go, this machine's not good to go. What I wanted to do was take a 3-dimensional look at what those tests in the standard are actually saying, and then make some videos to show exactly like, hey, this is what this test looks like. So with collaboration with some other grad students in the department, we went and used Unreal Engine, which is like a video game engine that does like Fortnite or a couple other video games that I may have played in my time. And then rebuilt that utilizing the open source tractor and then bringing in obstacles that fit what the standard is actually telling us to do. And then I utilized my laptop and the computer in the lab to record us reenacting those different tests in the Unreal environment. There's a lot of benefits to autonomous ag vehicles. Definitely an opportunity to allow farmers to cover more acreage with less people, and then again get the work done maybe 24 hours a day rather than just during the daytime or whenever you get those working hours in. I think there's a couple paths for this research to go after I graduate. The first thing is acknowledge that these standards that I was reviewing are most likely in review right now. It'd be kind of cool to see my research get utilized as those standards are reviewed and updated in the future. I definitely say, as I look back over the last 6 years and even further back than that, to come from a small town of 1,300 people to go to a campus that's 40 times the size of home, just really diving into the Purdue experience, going to what I said was my dream job working at John Deere. It's one of those things that just all I can do is smile and think about just how far I've come, how many people have helped me along the way, my family, my friends, the staff here at Purdue just have really made this whole experience one that I'll never forget.